Does LG OLED TV have a camera? No, LG OLED TVs do not have a built-in camera in most models. LG prioritizes privacy and security, so their OLED TVs do not come with an integrated camera for video calls or motion controls. However, some LG smart TVs support external cameras, which can be connected for video conferencing, fitness apps, or motion-based controls. 1. Why LG OLED TVs do not have built-in cameras. LG OLED TVs focus on picture quality, AI-enhanced processing, and smart features, but they do not include built-in cameras due to privacy concerns. Many users prefer TVs without cameras to avoid potential security risks. Low demand for TV cameras. Most people use smartphones, tablets, or laptops for video calls. Alternative solutions. External cameras offer a more flexible option when needed. While older LG smart TVs from 2012 to 2014 had cameras for gesture controls and Skype, newer OLED models do not include them. 2. Can you connect an external camera to an LG OLED TV? Yes, LG OLED TVs support external USB cameras, but only compatible models can use them for video calls. Some features include video calling via apps like Zoom or Skype. Some LG TVs support external webcams for apps like Google Duo, Skype, or Zoom. AI webcam features. LG's ThinQ AI ecosystem may allow camera integration in some regions. Fitness and interactive apps. Some fitness apps support external webcams for motion tracking. To check camera compatibility, visit Settings of General External Devices on your LG OLED TV. 3. How to use an external camera on an LG OLED TV. If your LG OLED TV supports external cameras, follow these steps. Step 1. Plug the USB camera into one of the TV's USB ports. Step 2. Open the video calling app such as Zoom or Skype on your TV. Step 3. Allow the TV to detect the camera and adjust settings if needed. Step 4. Position the camera properly for video calls or motion tracking. For the best experience, use LG certified webcams that support WebOS applications. 4. How to check if your LG OLED TV has a camera. If you're unsure whether your LG OLED TV has a built-in camera, check the following. Look at the TV frame. Built-in cameras are usually placed at the top center. Check TV settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Privacy to see if there are camera-related options. Review the user manual. If your TV has a camera, the manual will include details on how to use or disable it. If your LG OLED TV does not list any camera options, it does not have a built-in camera. LG OLED TVs do not come with built-in cameras, but they support external USB webcams for video calls and interactive applications. If you need a camera for your TV, consider compatible external webcams rather than expecting an integrated one.